also known as Azadirachta indica, is a wonder plant with a ton of cool benefits. Imagine a natural powerhouse with antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory superpowers. This amazing plant is great for zapping away skin problems, keeping your teeth sparkling clean, and even acting as a natural bug buster. Taking care of neem is a breeze. Just give it a good soak once every 7 to 10 days. Not too much, not too little, just right. Neem loves to soak up the sun in the hot and dry season, which is when it really struts its stuff. And the best part? You can harvest its leaves and seeds all year round. Talk about a gift that keeps on giving. When it comes to soil, neem isn't picky. It prefers well-drained sandy or loamy soil, but can tough it out even in poor soil condition. So if you're looking for a resilient, easy-to-care-for plant with loads of benefits, neem is your new best friend. Meet Neem, your all-in-one natural healer, protector, and garden hero.